indie fashion designer tip of the day. When I first started, believe it or not, I'm self-taught. I did not have a mannequin. If you don't have a mannequin or dress form, get one. Imagine I was working flat, cutting, holding it up to myself, trying to figure it out. Having a dress form helped me to see possibilities of how to drape the fabric without knowing how to use zippers, without really knowing how to sew. I could see how something should look on a person. So you can create new designs by pinning on a mannequin. You can see where it needs to come in. You can see if the fabric's wide enough so that it can actually get on a body. This is one of my signature pieces now. I call it a Sobe. And then today, actually, I just created this new piece, which I've never done before, just to go over this, or I also like it over this little skirt, wrap skirt that I do. What I would suggest, if you are schooled and you're usually used to doing everything by the way you were taught, try doing some things a different way. Set aside a few hours a week to just play in your space and create some things. Don't make everything about work. Remember, the reason you got into this business is because you're creative and you love it. And you love to play with fabrics and textures. And that's actually how you create something new. I hope this helped. Follow and like for more.